Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel. So, today's video is about bob haircut. As you know, that ladies and gentlemen, bob haircuts are very in these days and has become fashion. You can see this really amazing bob hairstyle. Now I will tell you more about bob haircuts, its various type and its approach to beauty standard. Ladies and women, that bob haircut are very versatile and timeless haircut options that have been popular from decades. It is a classic choice since 90s and it provides a younger look to you. Bob comes in various length. You can opt from chin length like this one to your shoulder length. This allows very versatile hairstyle that suits every face shape, every hair texture and personal preference. It completely depends upon you that what kind of hairstyle you want, as it provide beauty to you. Ladies and women, as you know that if you want to look younger and you are in 40s 50s, you might go for bob hairstyle as it gives face shape to your face. It provides younger look and more bold look. Ladies and women, mostly stylists and celebrities opt for the bob haircut as it gives them a bold yet unique look. If you are chubby or you are a healthy person, you must go for a bob haircut as it gives your face more structure, give your features more definition. Ladies and women, bangs with the bob are absolute beauty. Bobs are very low maintenance. If you are a person who wants mess free life and have a very busy lifestyle, then bobs are very low maintenance compared to the other longer hairstyles. It usually need minimum hairstyles, it usually needs minimum hair products and time. You just need 5 minutes for your hair styling and it is much convenient for your hair care routine. Longer hair need much care as compared to shorter hair. Ladies and women, it is a very timeless and a classic hairstyle. You have seen many celebrities having bob haircut and it is a good preference. Ladies and gentlemen, from Hollywood stars to fashion icons, bob hairstyles continue to grace red carpets and magazine cover. Look how beautiful this bob is looking. You can have layered bob, choppy bobs like this one, having layers in the hair. It provides beauty to the bob haircut. You can have lob or long bobs in a longer version of classic. Look beauty. Bangs with the bob. It's really amazing. How well did this looks like. Thank you everyone for watching our video and don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video.